Brian Sandoval even showed guests how to make several of the authentic northern New Mexico dishes he served during the week.
Today we're going to be fixing a homemade Chile Relleno. It's chili season right now, so we started outside with roasting the chilies, and she's going to take that chili after it's peeled, and you're going to fill it with cheese, and you're going to dip it in the batter. That is separated egg from egg whites. You beat it almost like a meringue. He's making that look easy. He's pretty neat at doing it. I'm a lot messier.
The cheese just flows right into it. Absolutely delicious. When you come to the RFD-TV Ranch, it's second to none in everything from the scenery, facilities, and the food.
The food is over the top.
What was the dessert that we had at lunch?
Sopapillas.
Sopapillas. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Freshly made. I saw him roll out the dough.
Yes.
Food's been wonderful. Amazing.
It's authentic in every way.
Oh yeah, all the different chilies that I've been introduced to that I'm not familiar with. The salsas, the roasted chili salsa. Superb.
This is a high-end ranch. It's a beautiful ranch. Everything about it is first class. And the food is first class and everything else. But the people, they're real, and they're real friendly, and it can't do enough for you. One of the highlights has been with Tom and Pat and Kristen. They're the same just at the table as they are on TV. You're not going to see anything different. They're real people.
When Patrick first told us that our guests could come visit here, we all didn't know what to expect. So for the people who were thinking about coming and didn't, what did they miss?
Oh gosh, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I'm glad I took advantage of it. If you haven't been out to the southwest part of our country, it's beautiful, it's a different landscape. The staff here has been very accommodating and just lovely people to hang out with. They're just like friends now.
The trail riding has been amazing. I mean, the trails are great. Horses are nice, sure-footed horses. It's been an amazing experience.
This place is phenomenal. I'm just gifted to be able to be here.
You couldn't ask for a better setting for this ranch, and the facilities are second to none. It's really just a magical, special place.